Welcome to the workshop. So my girlfriend suggested that I actually made something nice for her using some of all my tools, and she suggested that I made a ring for her using my 3D printer, but I feel that's a bit too cheap, so today I'm going to be even more cheap and try to make her a brass ring on the mini lathe using this fitting, simple plumber's brass fitting. So that's what we're going to do, and welcome. So I just made an approximate measurement of her finger using this very precise tool. It's basically just a simple hose clamp that I tied onto her finger and ensured that it's able to fit, and I hope that's good enough to create a measurement of the ring that makes it usable in the end. So we'll see. I have various brass fittings here, and from what I can see it looks like this will actually be the best fit, I hope. Let's get to work and see what works out. I will start by cleaning out the outside threads of the fitting, just so I have something better to clamp onto, because I hope I will be able to do all the operations without having to refit the chuck. I need a small boring bar in the lathe to make the correct dimension, correct internal dimensions. So that's what we are starting out with, and then we will do the outside afterwards. To switch out for another tool and just try to work on the outside, and then the final thing will be to work on the chamfers on the edges so it's not that sharp. Some of the square edges, and yeah, not going to be much material left, but hope it's going to work. Hopefully that's good enough. Trying to see if I can use this little piece from a beer can to ensure that I'm not going to mar up everything that I have just smoothed. Since I don't have a proper way to mount the ring, I have this rubber tube and just a bolt and a nut, and I'm hoping I will be able to tighten it enough to actually hold on to the ring. Like this. When you tighten this nut, the rubber should expand and that should hold on to this ring. So let's try that. Seems to work. Let's try it out. Let's see if I will be able to chamfer it on the outside just ever so slightly. This fixture is working much better than I expected. Not the best. I'll just color it black and then try to polish the ring a bit more, and then that must be it. Okay, I'm calling it good for now, and I don't want to mangle any further with this. It's not as good as I hoped, but the fixture got a bit loose at the end, so the last letter on the engraving did not really turn out that well. I don't know if you're able to see that, but at least it's homemade, so I hope she likes it anyway. So thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.